What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, it's Monday the 13th of February 2023, and we are waking up to a morning FUD. Okay, so BNB is down 7%, as you can see, 7.5%. So this morning BNB was trading around, well, prior to this FUD, BNB was trading about 315 and going up, potentially going up, but a FUD came out, and as you can see right here, the coin started to go down and down and down and down and down. Okay, so let's see where it will end. Let me just flick it to 3-minute chart, see if we can have an update. So it's bouncing back up. Hopefully it will go back to its previous level. Okay, but let's see what this FUD is all about. By the way, guys, because the coin was going down, okay, due to the FUD, I sold some BNB right here around 300 bucks or so. Okay, and you know, if I see an uptrend, I will buy it back at 291, 292, and you know, hopefully make some profits from that. Okay, but yeah, that's just me. Right, so let's see what this FUD is all about. So if you come over here to the news, right, it's CoinGate, breaking news: New York regulator orders Paxos to stop creating Binance BUSD. Okay, so who Paxos? So Paxos, it's a company that issues the BUSD. So the new NY Department of Financial Services on Monday ordered Paxos Trust Co., the issuer of Binance USDT to stop creating more of Binance dollar-pegged stablecoins. So the BUSD is the third largest stablecoin by market cap. Okay, Paxos said will continue to manage redemptions of existing BUSD. Binance said in a statement, Binance and Paxos launched a BUSD in 2019 and said the stablecoin was approved by New York's financial regulator. Okay, so if it was approved back then, why they chasing him now? Okay, it doesn't make sense. So like CZ says, it's just FUD. Okay, so the New York financial regulators order came after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, issued a Wells notice against Paxos. It's Binance, or BUSD. It's an registered security. Wells notice is a letter the U.S. Secretary sends to people or firms when it's planning to bring an enforcement action. Okay, so like the guy says over here, so if they registered in 2019, okay, why they claiming now they're unregistered? Okay, it doesn't make much sense. Okay, obviously this is bad for Binance. Okay, therefore we are seeing BNB price going down. Okay, I've checked BUSD and still pegged to $1. Okay, no issues about the BUSD. Okay, it's just the Binance BNB coin that it's taking a hit. Okay, on another news page, right, so we can see New York regulator reportedly stops Paxos from issuing BUSD, but is it just FUD? Okay, so if they are registered 2019, why are they coming after them? Okay, because last week was a Kraken, so this week seems to be BUSD. Okay, so point of view, these guys just want to cut off the pie. Okay, and CZ, the Binance admin, okay, he replied, "We'll try to keep 23 simple. Spend more time on less things. Do's and don'ts. First, education. Second, compliance. Third, product and service. And fourth, ignore FUD, fake news, attacks, etc." Okay, wait a minute, where are you going? So that's CZ response in regards to the current FUD. Okay, ignore fake news, FUD, and etc. Okay, guys, so that's his response. So this just came in now. Okay, so expect more news or information about Binance. So that's the latest. Okay, and as soon as I find out more information about this, info about Paxos stopping or being ordered to stop minting more BUSD. Okay, and I will give you an update. But for now, BNB is trading at 291. Okay, and yeah, it might go down to 275. It does. If it does, I will buy some more BNB down here. Okay, it would be nice. So if I buy some BNB down here, but from here to here, it's a 14% gain. Okay, that would be cool. But you know, we'll see. We'll see. Seems like a lot of people are catching up the BNB at this dip right here. Okay, so hopefully we will see BNB going back up. Okay, so, but yeah, that's just my opinion. Hopefully BNB will recover from this FUD, and people will just ignore it and move along with their lives. Okay, so that's the news about BNB, guys. So if you are looking to buy BNB, here's a discount right now, because back a few hours ago he was trading at 315, and you got a 7% discount right now. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity if you are looking to buy BNB. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit and let's see where BNB can potentially go. So if BNB keeps going down, like I said, BNB might go all the way to 275. It's the next support level. And let me see what's happening here. Yeah, 286. Yeah, it can go to 286 as well. Yeah, prior to 275. We'll see. And if it keeps dropping, we might see BNB going to 240 again. Okay, but hopefully it won't go that low. Yeah, it would be nice to see BNB at 275. Okay, I would love to buy BNB at 275, but if not, cool anyway, because you know, I like BNB and I'm staking some BNB, so hopefully BNB will recover soon from this. Okay, so that's the update about BNB, guys. So now you know why BNB is down 7%. Okay, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.